Hi, in front of me is MediaTek KT107 and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen on this device. First of all, select an app, like for example Settings. Now you need to click Home button and select the other one, for example Messages. Then click on the square button over here, hold one of your apps and drag it to the side. Then tap on the other one. And as you can see, now I can use both of my apps at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps to the side and click Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!